Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review, and welcome back to another model kit review. This time it is the Bandai Star Wars First Order TIE Fighter set. This is a Special Forces TIE Fighter, and this is the smaller kits, kit number 004 in the vehicle collection here. This was issued back in 2016, and these are becoming rare. All the Bandai Star Wars kits are becoming rare. I don't know what's going on with Bandai. I think they lost their licensing, so you're not seeing actually any more newer releases since the Mandalorian kits that came out a little while back. But we'll go ahead and do a review of this particular kit. These are very small but very detailed. Bandai did issue a 1/76 version of this kit that you can get off the shelf if it's available. Get it while you can. Go ahead and open it up. We'll look at the parts that are inside here. And you can see that. Bringing the box back over, remember that the instructions are inside of the box. So here's the instructions. We'll look real close. And there's the assembly instructions. And we see some stickers here. Let's open this up. And here's all the parts out of the bag. Decals, stand. Remember, you get 2 kits with this. All 4 trees are different though. I'll show you all the trees. Two kits are included with this set, and we received 4 trees. And you can see molded in black plastic, snap together engineering there. We'll get a closer view. And the panels are very detailed there. Very nice. And the windows aren't molded in clear plastic. Would have been nice if they would have done that. They have the engineering to do so, so I don't know why they didn't do these parts here in clear. And then the main fuselage. Here you go. The next tree, A2. Go right there. The mounting point for the fighter. The back end, where the little rockets are. The next tree. And the Special Forces TIE Fighters had the red marking on the side there. We got decals for that, but Bandai could have very easily have molded that in red plastic for us. Close up there. And the last tree. Very well detailed, snap together type of kit. and the detail is exquisite. once again. Could have given us in clear plastic. And here's our stand. Just the standard stand you get with these smaller kits. Here are the stickers, no decals included. And a close-up of the stickers. If you've never used the stickers from the Bandai kits, I suggest you try using them. They go down very nicely, and you almost can't distinguish between these and the water slide decals. And there you go. That was a detailed review of the First Order TIE Fighter set, Special Forces TIE Fighters themselves. The only downfall I see with these kits are the canopies aren't molded in clear plastic. The fuselage could have been molded in red also. And no decals, just stickers are included with this. Remember that this kit is also available in 1/72 scale. However, it's just a single kit. You don't get two kits like this set is here. So let me know what you think about this kit in the comments below. If you like my content, please subscribe and smash the like button. Happy modeling and take care, everybody.